My Shadow by Robert Louis Stevenson. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. It's very, very like me from heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not all like proper children, which is always very slow, for he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little and there's none of them at all. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close beside me, he's a coward, you can see. I think shame to stick to Nursie as the shadows stick to me. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose and felt the shining dew on every buttercup, but my lazy little shadow, like an orange sleepyhead, I stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed.